welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's core series, we're exploring Chambord. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you don't miss it when we review your favorite liqueur. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit more about this Chambord you got going on here?
Chambord, a beautiful black raspberry liqueur. Now, this is a cool bottle. This is the holy hand grenade of the liqueurs, just like Blanton's is. Now, it used to have a crown on top and this really cool belt that was plastic of Chambord, but they changed it in 2010 to this. It's fine. It's not as cool. It does have this cool topper, this big purple topper, which is kind of cool. But, there, it's in the video. It's beautiful. It does have that pretty topper, but, Also, just one note to when you unscrew from the bottom, the whole thing comes off. Wow. As I found out earlier today, because I had to get things like, why is this? Because I was just trying to unscrew this part, but this whole thing's the top. Just little note. Anyway, all right. So at 16.5% is a black raspberry liqueur. It is from France. It is based on a Loire Valley recipe from the 17th century. But this version itself was created in 1982 by Norton Sky Cooper at the family liqueur company Charles Jacquin, LC, which makes this place called Germain. At this point in time, his son made that one up. It's said to also, like I said, be based on the 1600s. It was introduced to King Louis XIV when he visited the Château de Chambord back, and then was served during fine meals along with cognac back in the day. It was acquired in 2006 by Brown Foreman. So the way this is made is first they extract the juices from blackberries, raspberries, and blackcurrants. At that point in time, then they add a fine French spirit, which I'm sure is fine French vodka, or be my guess, GNS. Fine, nice way to say it. For 4 weeks. All right. The berries are then infused again for an additional 6 weeks. At this point, the berries are pressed to capture the natural juices. Then the berries are infused with a blend of the infusion and then a blend of actual whole blackberries and raspberries. And then they add to it different varietals of raspberries, a 6-year cognac, Madagascan Vanilla, Moroccan citrus peel, and honey, and then to finish it off with some additional herbs and spices, including ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. The bottle was redesigned in 2010, unfortunately, like I said, to this new fun thing. Took off the plastic belt, took off the cool crown, but if I find you guys know a bottle like that, or if somebody has one, I'd love to show it to show. It's a really cool bottle, and that's the kind of shit that, makes me all excited. Anyway, it does have a ton of So the original bottle was based on a globus crucial, and you guys have seen them they're one of the Christian artifacts you'll find a lot of times. They'll have the base as a ball that has a crucifix on the top of it. You'll see a lot of those in some old art. And one of the most famous ones is over in Prague in the infant. And there's a church over there, and he's holding one of those, the infant Christ holding one of those things in it. So anyway, some really cool cocktails are the Chambord Royale, the Chambord Bramble, the Chambord Margarita, the French Martini, the Chambord Express Martini, the Gin Berry Spritz, the Pink Julep, the Chambord Spritz, the Chambord Collins, and then they get some other fun names. The Kir Imperial, the Little Purple Man, the Purple Hooter, the Blood of Christ, and the Grateful Dead. So, they went from everything Chambord to all this other shit. So, whatever works. All right, let's see what this thing smells and tastes like. I'm sure
as far as color goes,
it's purple as shit.
And it's reddish. The Blood of Christ ain't too far off, right?
You go to church, that is definitely the color of the wine at church. Oh, it's like, it smells like sugar. Yeah,
this is
black raspberry.
This is Welch's grape juice
that
somebody added an additional 3 cups of sugar to.
Yeah, with some honey, citrus.
It's blackberry Kool-Aid.
Clove, vanilla, a little bit of... The cognac is like barely in there. I can smell it, but it's really way back there. After the blackcurrants and sugar.
It's so much berries.
It smells beautiful though. Like, the thing that would be dangerous is it's dangerous because it's sugary and it's sweet and it's, like you said, it smells like juice.
It absolutely smells like sugar juice.
It smells good, so that's all that matters. Let's see what it tastes. Yep. I'm so excited about it.
Oh, come on.
Yes. Black raspberries, honey, citrus.
It drops off a cliff. It's not oily and viscous.
It's not what I thought it would be. Yeah.
It's not at all. I thought it was going to be
thin,
super
actually.
Syrupy and very, very thick and clingy.
It's not.
The flavor of the berries stays behind, but the sweetness subsides very, very quickly.
Yeah, it's not sugary, sweet, and thick and coating at all. It's kind of watery, to be honest.
It really
actually tastes pretty good. I'd say it's even thinner than a juice, to be honest. But yeah, it's nice. It's like it's got a little honey, citrus, the clove, the vanilla, cognacs in there, and you can actually taste the ginger and the nutmeg and cinnamon. I mean, no, actually, it tastes pretty damn good. I actually, it's
Younger
not
me
as
would
sweet
have
as I thought it would be.
loved this, especially chilled and or over ice.
Mm-hmm.
This would have been like the snow cone, maker
Oh yeah.
when I was a younger kid.
This is definitely a dangerous one. Always a big fan of college parties. This one comes in a pretty bottle. Girls seem to really enjoy it.
What's
Makes a
my
lot of
price
cool
point on this
cocktails.
thing? Because
They're
it's,
like,
I mean,
usually
you're
around
paying
like
for the
25,
bottle.
30 bucks. Yeah, they're not
How
crazy.
much?
But they're like usually like 25, 30.
That's not bad.
It's
you're
not
paying
bad.
a lot for that bottle.
Yeah, you're paying a lot. Yeah, because usually, sometimes it'll be a little higher, like 32, but I don't think it usually goes any higher than that I've seen. So I think average is about 30, but you can get it for like 25 on sale.
The nose makes me want to go for a second sip. I'm going to take a second sip of this.
He's gonna take a sip and sick. Holy shit, it's amazing.
Yeah, it's too sweet for my palate. But man, the flavors are very, very good.
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
It's like juicy fruit. Like just, my goodness.
It's good. It's a good product. I like it. There's obviously lots of knockoffs, but this is the original one, and I think it tastes really good.
Yeah.
So good job, guys.
I don't dislike it.
We call that a win.
Yeah. I'm with you. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers. Petey rye. That's the shit. Oh. Good God.
That does sound good. Petey rye, that's probably just tasty as hell.